Yeah. Sometimes life gets hard. Sometimes the road gets rough. But we're still standing. We remain. We came a long way from where we started. Through every storm we never departed. Many tried to bring us down, but we keep rising, standing our ground. Hey. Every scar tells a story. Every step brought us closer to glory. When the night seemed too long to survive, we held on and kept the dream alive. Hand in hand, side by side, nothing can break what we have inside. Through the struggle, through the pain, we keep moving on again. We remain, still shining like the morning star. We remain, no matter how near or far. We remain, together we'll go all the way. We remain stronger every day. Listen, we've seen hard times, we've seen better days, but every challenge made us stronger. That's why we're here today. We remain. When the world said we would never make it, we found the strength and didn't fake it. Every setback became a lesson. Every season brought a blessing. Now we're dancing through the pressure, living every moment like a treasure. Without people by our side, we got nothing left to hide. Side by side, nothing can break what we have inside. Through the struggle, through the pain, we keep moving on again. We remain, still shining like the morning star. We remain, no matter how near or far. We remain, together we'll go all the way. We remain stronger every day. You know, life keeps changing. People come and go, but real love remains. We're still standing tall, together through it all. One love, one family, one journey. We remain forever.